young adventurer named Alex, wearing a brown jacket, dark pants, hiking boots, and a small backpack, is exploring a dense jungle. Tall trees, vines, birds, butterflies, and light fog surround him. While walking through the forest, Alex hears a strange metallic sound. He follows the sound and suddenly discovers an extremely old abandoned airplane hidden deep inside the jungle. The airplane is covered with moss, vines, dust, and rust. Its windows are cracked, one wing is damaged, and the engine is completely covered in plants. Alex looks at the airplane in surprise and says in English, "How did an airplane end up here?" He walks around it and carefully examines the damaged engine. He finds broken wires, rusty bolts, and missing mechanical parts. Alex opens his backpack, takes out his tools, and decides to repair the airplane. He removes the vines from the engine and cleans the damaged parts. Inside the airplane, he discovers an old storage compartment containing wires, metal pieces, and useful mechanical parts. After searching, he finds a replacement component that could repair the engine. Alex installs the part, reconnects the broken wires, and tightens the loose bolts. A curious monkey watches him from a nearby tree while colorful birds fly around the jungle. After working for hours, Alex climbs into the cockpit. He turns the engine switch, but nothing happens. He tries again. The engine makes a weak sound and then stops. Alex says, "Come on, you can do it." He discovers one final loose cable, fixes it, and tries again. Suddenly, the old engine starts running. Smoke and dust rise around the airplane, and birds fly away from the trees. Alex smiles and says, "We did it!" He clears branches and vines from the ground in front of the airplane. Then he enters the cockpit for the final test. The airplane slowly begins moving through the jungle clearing. Alex carefully controls it. The airplane gains speed, and finally its wheels leave the ground. Alex looks amazed and says, "We're flying!" The airplane rises above the jungle, show beautiful aerial shots of rivers, waterfalls, mountains, and endless green forest below. Golden sunlight shines across the repaired airplane. Alex looks through the cockpit window and smiles. He says, "You still had one adventure left." And with the airplane flying toward the sunset and disappearing into the distance, use high-quality 3D animation, cinematic camera movements, realistic jungle environment, smooth transitions, natural sounds, clear English dialogue, and consistent character design. Keep Alex, his clothes, voice, airplane, and jungle appearance identical throughout the entire video.